So this lake is just much bigger than it looks. That is a hearty meal.
I believe that your leaving the Jedi Order may have hurt her more than she will ever admit. It is a difficult thing.
Go on. Hello everyone. We have officially made it to Washington. It's been a long journey. We started this journey back in the middle of March, I believe March 14th, and it is now June 16th. So it's been 2 months of just nonstop moving, go, 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 seeing a lot of really cool places, meeting a lot of really cool people, but we finally made it. Right now we are at this beautiful camp spot right up along a huge lake in the central western side of Washington. By the way, if you're new here, hi, my name is Nando. My wife, Lady Nando, and I, and our 2 dogs, Aiko and Finley, live, travel, game, explore, and adventure out of that RV right there. But as RV life usually goes, we don't really have a plan for today. So just sit back, relax, maybe take the dogs for a swim, maybe take myself for a swim because I need a bath. Other than that, eat some good food, hang out, and enjoy the fruits of our labor getting all the way to freaking Washington State. So as I mentioned before in some of my previous videos, water is a scarcity when you're doing RV life. So you want to conserve water as much as you can, which means this is my bath. It's been about 4 days since I've taken a shower, and it's needed. So I think we're about to get in there and take a hippie bath. It is a little chilly, probably about 70 to 72 degrees, somewhere between there. The water I'm talking about, not the outside. Outside's about 68 degrees. Woo, it was a bit cold at first, but not too bad now. The glamour of RV life. This is it, folks. If you want to do this lifestyle, this is what you got to look forward to. Ice cold lake baths. That was actually quite enjoyable. But made a big mistake, did not bring a towel. Well, I'm clean, Aiko's clean, Finley's clean, but you know who's not clean? Lady Nando's not clean.
I'm not cold.
Hi. Shall we get the paddle boards out?
Do it. Let's get the paddle boards. Come on.
Come on, let's go get the paddle boards. Come on. Come on. It's actually turning out to be a super nice day. And as time goes by, it's just getting warmer and warmer, which is very strange because it's like 4 o'clock right now and it's like the peak hot time of the day, almost like 70 degrees. It's quite nice. It's like perfect summer weather. A few clouds. Whoa, big waves. Whoa! Rogue waves! Watch this. Whoa, behind you! Gotcha! I think we're going to try to make it from where we took off to across the lake and then check out what's on that side. Break time's over. Let's get across this lake. We are almost there. All right, I deserve that. We made it! Land! Land! Oh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. That's not sand. Those rocks are jagged. Part of the barefoot club here. That's how we do things. Ow. Oh. Pain and misery is our gain.
No pain, no gain.
You see, if you look at it, from over here or over there, it doesn't seem that far away. Like I can see our RV. It looks tiny, but I can see it. And the shore doesn't look that far away. But when you're paddling it, apparently it's a lot farther than it looks. Which makes sense because the last couple days we've been seeing boats zip by and they look like tiny little dinghy boats, but they're actually like full-size boats. So this lake is just much bigger than it looks. See, look, that's like a full-size boat and it looks tiny. This lake is just enormous. We do have to look out for black bears, cougars, mountain lions. We heard a wolf the other night. There's all kinds of stuff out here. Yeah, this isn't the easiest surface to walk on, but it gives you a nice foot massage. Look at those tan lines. This is some epic tan lines. Look at that little thing sticking out of the water there. We keep thinking it's either like a turtle or a manatee or something, but it looks like it's just a stick.
Our Florida brains keep thinking, oh look, a turtle, or oh look, a manatee. But no, it's just a stick.
Womp, womp, womp. All right, let's get back ashore and get back across.
But at least we get to have pineapple salsa.
We do get to have pineapple salsa tonight. Because tonight, she's making tacos. All right, it's time to board. Sit still. Behind the scenes, making of Nando the Nomad. Always chaos. Just constant chaos. Ah, look at that cute little boat. We made it! Land ho! Taco time? Time to make some tacos. Is a hearty meal. But wait, she made brownies the other day. Cannot forget these.
You are like that sunshine, all flowers.
I thought I had lost you. And the news came that the British...
You know, I noticed you've come a long way since Paragus. And despite all we've been through, you seem a lot better for it.
Well, guys, thank you for joining us on this most recent adventure in Washington State, finally. We had a super fun day today, guys, but we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Spend the nice, cool, crisp night with beautiful mountain views and playing Knights of the Old Republic 2 on Switch 2. One of my favorite games ever. Absolutely love it. Otherwise, if you guys have any recommendations of places to see, visit, explore in Washington, please leave a comment below. Let us know. Otherwise, we will see you guys in the next video.
Yes? You may ask. I believe that your leaving the Jedi Order may have hurt her more than she will ever admit. It is a difficult thing to speak of, to see Atris unable to confront such strong emotion within herself.